of spending too much time in the kitchen? Want to cook smarter, not harder? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing 5 genius kitchen gadgets that will save your time, make cooking fun, and might just become your new favorite tools. All product links are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. And hey, if you love discovering cool gadgets and smart home solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, so you never miss out.
Number 1.
Tired of slow, messy chopping in the kitchen? Meet the Fullstar Mandoline Slicer, your new meal prep hero. Perfect for home cooks, meal preppers, and gadget lovers. Imagine prepping salads, stir-fries, or snacks in minutes. 6 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades handle every task. Dice, slice, julienne, shred, and grate, effortlessly. Each blade is made from premium 420J stainless steel. Includes a 1.2L container. No more countertop mess. Extra hard ABS plastic ensures long-lasting durability. BPA-free materials keep your meals safe and healthy. Attractive black and white design matches any kitchen style. Finger guard and cleaning brush for safety and easy care. From onions to potatoes, cheese to tomatoes, prep with ease. Upgrade your kitchen with this essential, versatile tool. Ready to transform your cooking? Try Fullstar today. Click now and make meal prep faster, safer, and smarter.
Number 2.
Tired of peeling veggies by hand? Meet your new kitchen hero. The Rotato Express transforms meal prep for busy families and home cooks. Just place your potato, apple, or even tomato on the Rotato Express. Press one button. Watch as skins peel away in seconds, hands-free. No more mess or wasted produce. Precision blades do the work for you. Peel everything from tough potatoes to delicate kiwis, effortlessly. Worried about safety? The Rotato Express stops automatically when done. Its non-slip base keeps it steady, even during high-speed peeling. Includes 2 spare blades stored underneath for long-lasting performance. A handy thumb knife is included for expert paring and detailed tasks. Plug in the 6V adapter, ready to use right out of the box. Built-in storage keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Cleaning is simple. Just wipe with a damp cloth, no immersion needed. Perfect for elderly users. No more hand strain or risk of cuts. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Make peeling fast, safe, and fun. Try the Rotato Express today and peel like a pro.
Number 3.
Tired of waiting forever for hot water? Meet the Chefman Glass Electric Kettle, your new kitchen essential. Picture this. You want tea fast before a busy day. With 1500 W of power, it boils water in just 3 minutes. Integrated tea infuser lets you steep loose-leaf tea right inside. No more reheating. Keep warm mode holds temperature for up to 1 hour. LED indicators show heating and keep warm status at a glance. The removable lid means easy filling and effortless cleaning. 360-degree swivel base offers cordless convenience for serving anywhere. Drip-free spout ensures mess-free pouring every single time. Safety first. Auto shutoff and boil-dry protection for peace of mind. BPA-free and CETL approved for safe, long-lasting use. Perfect for busy mornings, relaxing evenings, or thoughtful gifting. Upgrade your hot beverage routine. Efficiency meets elegance. Don't wait, bring home the Chefman Glass Electric Kettle today.
Number 4.
Tired of messy pancakes and uneven cupcakes? Meet the Pancake batter dispenser, your kitchen game changer. Imagine flawless pancake breakfasts every single time. Just fill, squeeze, and pour. No drips, no hassle. Wide mouth design makes filling fast and easy. Reinforced handle ensures lasting strength. No more breakage. BPA-free, food-safe plastic keeps your family healthy. Quick close valve means 0 leaks, even with kids helping. Portion control trigger gives you perfectly sized pancakes. Works for waffles, muffins, brownies, even pizza sauce. Chunky mixes? No problem. 3/4-inch valve handles it all. Easy pull handle offers smooth, one-handed operation. Cleanup is a breeze, no sticky counters or hands. Enjoy stress-free baking with our 3-year guarantee. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Make every breakfast memorable. Your pancake batter dispenser and pour perfection today.
Number 5.
Tired of standing over the stove, constantly stirring? Burnt sauces, scorched pots, and uneven soups. Sound familiar? Multitasking in the kitchen feels impossible when stirring is non-stop. Introducing the StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3. Hands-free, patented stirring. No more babysitting your pot. It self-adjusts to fit most pots, 6 to 9 inches wide. Powerful, quiet motor stirs for up to 10 hours per charge. Variable speed lets you control the consistency every time. No more burnt bottoms or stuck on food. Just perfect results. Before, juggling tasks, risking burnt meals. After, effortless, consistent stirring. Freeing up your hands. Recharge in just 1 hour or plug in for endless use. Upgrade with stainless steel and XL attachments for any recipe. Ideal for busy families, home cooks, and gadget lovers. StirMATE Gen 3. Make every meal easier and tastier. Ready for stress-free cooking? Try StirMATE today.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.